Hello everyone. So I'm Divya and I'm doing my PhD in IIT Delhi. So today we are going to learn a very small part of nervous system of humans, and that is cranial nerves. So in this video we are going to learn what is cranial nerves and what are those, and how we are going to learn those cranial nerves very easily. So first let me tell you what is cranial nerves. So guys, cranial nerves are the pair of nerves which originates from the brain to different part of your body, that may be your head, trunk or neck, and there are 12 pairs of cranial nerve in your brain. And let me tell you what are those 12 pairs of cranial nerve. So remember one thing, that cranial nerves are numbered with Roman letters, not with 1, 2, 3 number. So the first one is olfactory. This is connected with your olfactory lobe, that is smell. The second one is optic, which is connected with your vision. The third one is oculomotor. This nerve is connected with your control of eyes muscles and eyelids muscle. Trochlear, the fourth one, which is connected to control with some eye muscles. Trigeminal, the fifth one is trigeminal, which is connected with chewing muscle or some facial muscle. The sixth one is abducent, and which is connected to control of some eye muscles. The seventh one is facial, which is connected obviously with some facial muscles and also some cutaneous sensation. The eighth one is auditory, which is connected with your hearing and also equilibrium of or static of internal ear. The ninth one is glossopharyngeal, which is connected with salivation, sensation of skin, taste and also controlling of some viscera or muscles. And the 10th one is vagus, which is the largest cranial nerve, and the vagus, it is connected to many muscles, or vagus nerve always control many muscles including heart, and also it controls the sensation from thorax, pharynx and abdominal viscera. The 11th one, spinal accessory, which is control or the impulse to pharynx and shoulder. And the 12th, hypoglossal, this nerve control tongue and some skeletal muscle, also some viscera. So guys, these are the 12 cranial nerves, and which are having different function, starting from the brain, also in face and your neck and trunk. But now the question arises, how you are going to remember the sequence of these cranial nerves? It's so easy. So let me tell you the tricks. So there is a sentence you have to remember, and believe me, this will help you to remember whole the sequence of cranial nerves, and it was really helpful when I was in my 12th. And the sentence is very easy, that is, on old Olympus tower turf of French and German viewed some hoofs. Let me repeat once again. On old Olympus tower turf of French and German viewed some hoofs, like olfactory on, optic old, oculomotor Olympus, trochlear tower, trigeminal top, abducent a, facial French, auditory and glossopharyngeal German, vagus viewed, spinal accessory some, hypoglossal hoofs. So guys, you can remember very easily the 12 cranial nerves but you have to repeat at least 20 to 30 times so that you the sequence will be stored in your mind. Yes, so now the turn is, what are the types of cranial nerves? So if we'll go to the types of cranial nerves, there are three types of cranial nerve, that is either motor or sensory or mixed one, I mean both motor and sensory. So what is the motor nerve? So the nerve which are originated from the brain to different parts, that is your motor nerve. Sensory, the nerve which are connected from your body parts to your brain, that is sensory. And if both type of nerve would be there, if both type of nerve function would be there, then that nerve would be called as mixed or both nerve. So we have to categorize all these 12 cranial nerves into either motor or sensory or both. So let me tell you. So if we will take motor nerve as M, sensory as S, and both type would be as B, then we will categorize 12 cranial into the first olfactory is sensory type, optic is sensory, oculomotor is motor, trochlear is motor, trigeminal is both. That means this nerve gives the function of both motor and sensory nerve. Abducent is motor, facial is both, auditory is sensory, glossopharyngeal is both, that means both motor and sensory, vagus is both, spinal accessory is motor, and hypoglossal is motor. But guys, how we are going to remember this? It's so difficult to remember so which one is sensory and which one is motor. But don't worry, there is also one trick, and let me tell you the trick. So guys, here is the trick. S for sum. So like this on Old Olympus sentence, you have to remember one sentence. Let me tell you. Some says money matter, but my brother says big book matter much. Let me repeat once again. Some says money matter, but my brother says big book matter much. Like this, some yani sensory, sage yani sensory, money as motor, matter motor, but both, my motor, brother both, says sensory, big both, book both, matter motor, much motor. So like this, you can include whole 12 cranial nerve with two sentences. What are those? On Old Olympus tower top of French and German viewed some horse, and that means olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducent, facial, auditory, glossopharyngeal, vagus, spinal accessory, hypoglossal. Like this. And what are those? Sensory or motor or both? To define that, just one sentence, that is some says money matter, but my brother says big book matter much. That means sensory, motor, both, motor, both, sensory, both, and motor. So like this, you can remember whole cranial nerves. And let me remind you one thing. In case of CSR section B, always there are very basic questions you can see, like 2 to 3 basic question, 5-4 basic question from nervous system you can get, and these are the questions which can be asked in B section of your CSR preparation. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and all the best to all of you for your next CSR exam. I hope you all can remember these two sentences. So it's very easy. All the best and thank you.